This channel gained over 600,000 subscribers, received over 400 million views in under a year, and now generates $16,000 each month by releasing short automated videos. Take note, it's only the least. They are making, based on the data from Social Blade and no ex-influencer, they may be earning hundreds of thousands of dollars each year on ad revenue and more. Let's watch their latest video.
Panda is one of the most endangered species on Earth. But even with our best conservation efforts and tens of millions...
In short, they're basically sharing interesting animal facts. If you have a laptop and an internet connection, you could do this in just 10 minutes. Here is how. Watch till the end of this video. Go to ChatGPT, ask it to list 10 fascinating animals. Pick on any animal you like. I chose number 7. It looks interesting. Afterwards, ask ChatGPT to write 40 to 50 words with fascinating facts about the animal you have picked. If you like, you can extend it and play around the prompt to give you a better wording. After that, copy those words to your clipboard. Then go to Quillbot, a simple paraphrasing tool. This will help you avoid duplicate content among other channels. Now, paste the script from ChatGPT, then click on Paraphrase. Wait till it finishes and copy the result. Head to Play HT. This is what you'll see in your screen. Now, if you already have an account, click Login. Or if this is your first time here, click Try for free. Then enter your details or sign up with your Google account. You'll see this after you've signed in. Now click on Create New File. Then paste your script into the text box. Larry is their default AI voice, but you can change it to other voice by clicking it. Now you can try playing different voice samples until you find one you prefer. I'll use Hudson for mine. To choose it, simply click the name. You can change the speed as well, but I'll stick to the default normal speed. You can see this button on the side. Click it and choose Apply to all paragraphs. If you're done customizing your voice, click Confirm. On this side, you can see a green button saying Generate all paragraphs. Click it and wait for a few seconds. Once it's done generating, click Play button and review the voice.
Hello there. I want to share with you a fascinating information about axolotls.
If you don't like it, you can do the process with again and make some adjustments. Once you're satisfied with it, click Download. It will download a WAV file. Head over to Canva. If you don't have an account yet, click Sign Up, or if you already created an account, click Login. Now in Canva search bar, type in YouTube Shorts. Click it and click Create Blank File. On the left side, click Upload. Then upload the audio file you just downloaded. Once it's uploaded, hold on to it and drag it to your work area. If your audio file is compressed, click on this white blank page and drag it. Then hold and drag your audio to its full length. Now let's find some copyright-free visuals. There are many free websites that offer copyright-free stack footage. I'll use Pexels for mine. If you can't find your desired visual there, simply look for it in other websites. Now on Pexels search bar, I'll search for axolotl. Since we are using these for shorts, click Filter All Orientations. Then choose Vertical. In that way, we won't have to spend more time cropping those pictures. But in my case, I didn't get a lot of visuals, so I'll use All Orientation. Now I can easily find what I'm looking for. Simply download the photos you find. Now go to the video section and look for the clips you like as well. Download it and upload it to Canva. Don't worry, it will only take seconds or minutes depending on your internet speed. Real fun, right? Here's a tip. Since Pexel is integrated with Canva, you don't have to download photos or videos. Simply search on Elements bar on Canva. Choose the one that doesn't have a pro sign on it. Then drag and drop it to your page. Click Add Page and adjust your clips. Drag and drop your video. If your video has its original sound, click Volume and drag it to 0 to mute it. Head back to Pexels and look for more photos and videos to match your audio length and rearrange the pages to your liking. After that, click an image, right-click or press More. Then set image as background. Do the same for everything else. If you're done, it's time to add background music. Let's use YouTube's very own audio library. Click on your profile, YouTube Studio, then Audio Library. There's a wide range of tracks you can choose from, and it's all for free. To make it easier, let's filter it out. Click this button, choose Genre, check Ambient, then Apply. Now listen and search for the one you like. I'll choose this. I'll click this download button to save it. Head back to Canva. Once it's done uploading, then drag and drop it to your project. Adjust the position to match it with the rest. Now let's take a look at what we've created so far.
Hello there. I want to share with you a fascinating information about axolotls. These amazing beings have a superpower that makes them different from most
If you think
other
it's ready, download your
axolotls.
file. Great job. But wait, we are not done yet. We are missing subtitles. To get auto-generated subtitles, head to veed.io. You can use CapCut also. Check it on the description. If it's your first time, click Start for free and sign in with your Google account. Once you log in, you will get directed here. Click New Video, Create Project, then upload your video file. Alright, on the left sidebar, click Subtitles, then Auto Subtitle. There are 100+ languages supported here, but I'll choose English. Click on Add Automatic Highlighting if you like, then Create Subtitles. Wait for a few seconds to generate your subtitles. Once it's done, play the video.
I want to share with you a fascinating information about axolotls. These amazing beings have a superpower that makes them different from most other animals.
Perfect. If you like to change the style, click Styles. You can change the preset or choose your own font, style and size, colors, animation and more. I'll stick with this. Now play back your video and review it.
Hello there. I want to share with you a fascinating information about axolotls. These amazing beings have a superpower that makes them different.
If you think some tags are delayed, just do a few adjustments. Once you're satisfied with the outcome, click Done. Then export video. Wait for a few seconds. Now download the file and choose the format MP4. Let's now compare our video with the previous sample.
Panda is one of the most endangered species on Earth. But even with our best conservation efforts and tens of millions of dollars spent over the last 50 years, they are still at risk of extinction, and humans are probably the only reason why giant pandas haven't gone extinct yet.
Hello there. I want to share with you a fascinating information about axolotls. These amazing beings have a superpower that makes them different from most other animals. Axolotls have the amazing capacity to regenerate not only their limbs but also their hearts, spinal cords, and even portions of their brain. This means that if an axolotl is injured or limb, it can precisely rebuild the missing body part. In an effort to develop human regenerative medicine, researchers are examining axolotls to learn the mechanisms underlying their capacity for regeneration. Isn't that just incredible?
Perfect. Now upload your video. If you thought this was useful, please click the like button and think about sharing it. I'll be posting more videos like this in the future. So, click subscribe and all notifications to receive all updates. Remember to be consistent to get the results you want.